Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today I'm excited to announce I'm going to be giving away a vacuum robot. This is the Mobot 270. All you have to do to be entered to win is subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow Fun Tech Reviews on Facebook and Twitter. Just comment down below when you've done so. I will be picking one random winner on March 15th. Thank you all for the support, and I hope to keep bringing you more content as this year progresses. 2019 was a great year. I have more videos scheduled to come out later this month. If you have something specific you want to see, just leave a comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you on March 15th when the winner is announced. Good luck, everybody. Thanks for all your support. We'll see you next time.
Yeah.